Veggie and Fruit Scrubber. With this, we can scrub away all the dirt, the waxes, and the debris from our fresh fruit and veggies. This actually is dual-sided, which a lot of people don't know. It has a rough side, which is great for scrubbing, and then a smooth side for polishing or using it on your more delicate items like your grapes and mushrooms. Now, many growers, they subject our produce to a pretty toxic treatment to protect it from fungal attacks and then other pests. And sometimes our produce is often coated with a wax or an oily substance. I know you've seen that on apples before. And what that does is it prevents decay, preserves the quality, and then the overall appearance, so it looks better to us, right, when we're grocery shopping. But the problem with that waxy layer is that it has an unwanted effect of trapping undesirable dirt, microbes, bacteria, and other debris right there on our produce. So we want to make sure our produce is fresh and free of all that nasty stuff. So we want to wash them well and also use the Veggie and Fruit Scrubber to ensure that our produce delivers nothing but good nutrition for our family, none of the nasty stuff. So the produce scrub cloth is normally in our catalog. This is awesome, but this is our limited edition mitt, which I love because I get full control by keeping it on my hand. And it's perfect for chemical-free cleaning of your fruits and vegetables. Plus, I'm not using the expensive paper towels that overall contribute to landfills and cost a lot of money. So as I mentioned, the rough side's for scrubbing away dirt and pesticides. Then the inside is for polishing or using it on your more delicate produce. Clean produce tastes so much better and it's much more healthy for our families. So this cloth is super durable. As I mentioned before, it can be used over and over and over again, saving us a lot of time and a lot of money. I just rinse it after each use, scrub it together under the sink, and then I will wash it maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks. It's simple to use. You simply use it to scrub. Actually, enough talking. Let me show you how this works. We're gonna do a couple quick demos with this. I'm gonna show you my favorite ways to use it. I like to get it wet. I think it slides along the veggies a little bit better. So I'm just gonna put that on my hand. I love having full control, especially when cleaning things like potatoes and carrots. So you just gently take the cloth, no soap, nothing, just gently take the cloth and just go around the outer layer and just clean that all off. And it, honestly, I haven't had to peel vegetables, you know, like potatoes and carrots, things like that. I haven't had to peel them in almost 3 years. What a time saver in the kitchen. So this is the one that I did not scrub, and then the bottom is the one I scrubbed. Look how great that is. And honestly, it's ready to be cut and cooked. I also love it on potatoes, so I'm just going to, I love keeping the skin on potatoes to make mashed potatoes and other things like that, or if I'm roasting them, and I just think it gives it so much more flavor. And honestly, when we keep the skin on our produce instead of peeling that away, not only does that take a lot more work from us, the peeling, but we're missing out on a ton of vitamins that's actually contained in the skin. So look at that. So good. And then there's the one I did not scrub. And you get to keep the whole thing, right? When I used to scrub my veg or peel them, I would lose half of the produce in the sink from all the shavings. All right, I also mentioned that you can use the inside of this for your more delicate items. So we're just gonna flip this inside out. And still wet, and you don't want it dripping wet, so I'm actually gonna wring it out. I love mushrooms so much, and I used to waste so many paper towels cleaning my mushrooms off because we actually don't soak these. You're not even supposed to put them under running water. You're supposed to wipe them off. So using this, oh, it looks so good. I'm actually gonna use these tonight for dinner. So here's the inside. That's all the dirt and other things that was on this. And it's ready to go. I just cut it and start cooking. Okay, so here's the one I didn't clean, and here's the one I just cleaned. Looks awesome, and it's not soggy. I used to do the wrong thing with mushrooms. I would soak them or put them under running water, and then when I cooked them, they were always too soggy. They're much more firm, and you can sear them up real nice when you're not getting them super wet. So that is just a quick demo how to use the produce scrub mitt. Even the inside of this, let me flip it inside out. So that's all the dirt and everything I got off of our carrot, 1 carrot and 1 potato. And then when you're done using it, you just put it under the sink, agitate it by rubbing it on itself, give it a good wring, and then hang it to dry. And like most, Norwex has a little hang tag. I'll just hang this up and let it dry, and it's good to go. I'll keep using it for a week or 2 until I actually throw it in the washer and wash it with a good detergent. A good meaning like filler-free detergent. And this will easily last me 10, 15 years as long as I take care of it.